Today I'm going to tell you how to build a Lego jail. So first let's start with this. And then if you have this, just attach it here. There. But to make the bad guy not to escape out here, we need some Legos to make it. So put this here. Let's add it up, all of it up. Add all of it up. And then we do this. Keep doing it. Oh, wow. Oh, there's no more these pieces, but then I looked up inside. Then I see here, and then attached. But hey, how do you keep these two attached? So you may ask that. So just attach these, but the other way, so they're attached. So it's not fully attached. So let's do on the bottom too. These type. There you go. You got your jail. Oh, do you think you can get in here? If you're writing scavenger, yes, clues. You can hide one. You can hide one in here or on. You can't break the jail. Well, if there's a bad guy, don't break up the jail. So, thank you for watching this video today. Please subscribe and hit the like, and I'll see you in my next video.